And Amazon's got amazing products at low prices because it's very competitive. And then there's other companies out there that are even making more disruption for the space, and it's just getting better and better for the consumer. And so if you want to stay in an elite business opportunity, you got to pick one of these models that has evolved the network marketing space. And it's never been easier to join now that we've got crypto payments, we've got Visa and MasterCard payments globally. So people are joining from all around the world. And now we're even getting more tricked out where we're getting apps like RuPay and WeChat Pay so that people in India and people in China are going to be able to join. You know, many people in these other countries, they don't have bank accounts. They have apps on their phone and they basically pay everything through those. And we've made huge strides in the last 2 weeks, hearing from our leaders globally and finding out what we need to do to create those solutions and have them be part of Save Club.
I love that you can make money in crypto now every week, every month, and you don't have to join a Ponzi scheme from Dubai to do it. You know, you can actually legitimately accumulate crypto at Save Club. It's amazing. Yeah. Another great
You know,
innovation.
Pete, I think one of the symptoms of a the wave five in network marketing brought a lot of opportunity and had the promise to bring lots of prosperity because of the global payment systems and the digital products and whatnot. But with that also came a lot of bad actors, and it actually hurt the industry. There was a lot of crypto Ponzi schemes that just came ripping through the industry, and it caused a lot of damage. And I think that was another reason that a lot of these companies have suffered because really good leaders, really good people with skills and decades of relationships got duped into get rich quick type of crypto Ponzi schemes, and it hurt the industry. And so we're here to restore that, and that's why it was so important that when I was putting this together, it had to be a win-win-win. If there's not a winner in the equation, it's not even something we'll consider doing. And that
I,
comes from my heart. And I'm just like, how can I get so fired up and passionate about something where I just want to work all day long? The only way that I'm going to do that is if there's no losers. And I've worked diligently vetting everything that we're doing so that we've got a win-win-win scenario with everything that we have done and everything that we're going to be doing moving forward.
that was of huge importance to me, and I really appreciate that. Yep, nobody can get hurt at Save Club. It can only make your life
Yeah.
better.
Yeah, that's the intention, and we plan to keep it that way. So yeah, hop the wave, guys. Wave 6 is here, and hop on board, get started. If you're a pre-enrollee and haven't upgraded, tonight's the cutoff. This is your time to make a decision. Lock in the very highest spot you can inside of the matrix because we've got what I don't know, like 6,000 people in the company, and we're going to be headed towards 1 million. This swell is coming, and over the next 1, 2, 3 months, it's going to be cresting, and it's going to be, one of these monster waves that you see these expert surfers riding. And it's that exciting. But it's exciting to do something that can really change your life. And
On your
it
cell
starts
phone.
with creating $1 more in residual income than you have in residual bills. And I call that your freedom number. So you add up all your residual bills, your cell phone, your car payment, your insurance, whatever you need to survive on a monthly basis, and you come up with that number. And then you come up with another number, which is $1 more. And that becomes your freedom number. And with this opportunity, there's a way to get there. And as the business develops, we're going to get some very clear metrics that if your freedom number is $2,501, then there's a path to get there, and it's just a numbers game. You introduce more people to savings, they save. Some of them will become members, some of them will become affiliates, some of them will tell other people, and you just repeat. And we have a compensation plan that's so simple. You go 1 star, you go 2 star. That's as far as you need to understand this compensation plan to make massive income. And it was so cool doing the introductions, hearing people that just got started saying, I already made 1 star. Congratulations, that's awesome. We've got people hitting 3-star, 4-star. We're soon going to have our first 5-star in the company, and we're not even 4 weeks into the deal. So, yeah, very exciting times. I encourage you to get back with the person that introduced you to Save Club, or check your emails, go back to saveclub.com, log back in with your email and upgrade to be part of this.
Yes, that was great. I love this, man. I can't say it enough. And I have like my friend Jason, Matt. People are just, I mean, they didn't even know what this was a couple weeks ago. They're literally in love with this idea. They eat, breathe, and sleep. They can't wait to get up. I feel like I just bought the 5 a.m. book, Robin Sharma. I'm like jumping out of bed. I can't get up early enough to beat Charles, though. He's the hardest working CEO in the industry. I mean, guys, this is the most powerful idea. Like, I see other things now. And again, I wish everybody the best, but I mean, nothing even comes close to this big, beautiful idea. It's inexpensive. Nobody can get hurt. We've got all these cool built-in things to help you. We're creating reels, really cool graphics. We got the groups supporting each other. If you post about Save Club, a whole bunch of people will support you and say great things. We got great leaders already. I mean, this is an
You know what,
amazing,
Pete,
amazing
I,
opportunity.
I realized, the other day. So here in Las Vegas, um, that we got our first professional sports franchise, was a hockey team, the Golden Knights. And I've never seen a city rally behind something like the Golden Knights. We had a horrible shooting a few years ago here in Las Vegas. At that same time, the hockey team was doing some things, and the city really pulled together with this Vegas strong message. And the Knights were winning, and people got behind it, and everybody likes to be part of the winning team. We saw the same sort of thing with the New Orleans Saints after Hurricane Katrina, and I'm thinking, man, it's fun to be part of the winning team. And I think that's why so many people are reaching out. They're seeing what's going on. That this is it's a fun opportunity. It doesn't really You don't really need to learn a lot or explain a lot to share a deal. And with the new with just how novel what we're doing with the Wave 6 and with the AI coming into play, this is something that people are latching onto, and it's fun to be associated with people that are winning and to be part of a winning team. And winning is contagious. And I really hope that you see that, you catch the enthusiasm and the spirit of what's going on here, and we all win more as an organization. Because not only is it easy to help people save money and justify a $20 a month membership, which you can get paid on, we're talking about transferring $900 billion annually of advertising into this new model. And Save Club is the mechanism that these brands are going to be relying on to effectively bring those advertising dollars in the form of discounts and in the form of rewards paid through our compensation plan. So yeah, the future is very bright, and we're not even 4 weeks into this deal, and we've already seen some good check distributions, and an excitement level that's really going to push this thing far and fast. So hop
Yep.
on board. Pete, I don't want to hang out on the call too long tonight because it's Friday night. People got things to do. I got things to do. And I want to let everybody get back with their whoever invited them and upgrade, because we're going to shut this thing down as far as our cutoff period in just about 5 hours. So
Yep.
make a decision, lock in. There's no risk if you don't like what's going on. When you get involved, you don't like the membership, you don't like what's going on here. Within 7 days, you can just go click refund, no questions asked. The money goes right back onto you, however you paid. So with that,
Right on.
everybody, enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you back here Monday as we're gonna have another exciting week of development and growth.
Thank you, Charles. I am fired up. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.